Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mansi representing Doremi. I am back with another exciting keyboard lessons. Today I will be teaching you the song 100 Miles on the Keyboard. This song and this exercise will help you to improve your vocal scales and pitch. You will play the song and it will really gonna help you out. This keyboard lesson will help you to improve your vocal exercise, your vocal singing, and also it will improve how to sing 100 miles, as I have given you the link for the karaoke. If you want to sing along with this karaoke, first you can play the song like this and you can easily sing the song. So the note starts from C. C, C, E, E, D, C, E. I repeat. C, C, E, E, D, C, E. The next line. D, C, D, D, C, D, E, D, C, A. Go to the middle lower octave. A, C, D, E, D, C, A, G. A, C, D, 2, 3, 4, 1. C, C, E, E, D, C, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, A, C, D, E, D, C, A, G, A, C, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, C, C, E, E, D, C, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, A, C, D, E, D, C, A, G, A, C, C. With the song. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. The same notes will repeat. We will repeat the same notes for the next verse. That is Lord, I'm 1, Lord, I'm 2, Lord, I'm 3, Lord, I'm 4, Lord, I'm 5, 100 miles away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Same notes go for the third verse. Same notes, that is not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Lord, I can't go back home this way. pattern will help you to sing the song more comfortably. So with this, I end up my video. Have a very good day. Tata, bye bye. Keep singing, keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So keep practicing, keep singing and have a very good day. Bye.